Hey guys, Shashank. I recently got an admit from Duke, and I would very strongly and give a lot of credit to Autry for the same. The classes are amazing, starting from the very preparation of the for the GMAT. Great material. It's pretty exhaustive. You don't need to really look on any other material once you get their material. So, great preparation from GMAT perspective. And then once I started working with Autry, it has been really amazing. He's extremely knowledgeable. I wouldn't say just knowledgeable, he's extremely knowledgeable, and he understands all the B schools pretty well, what B schools need, what is the kind of fit that B schools look forward to, and he can very well figure out that for you. Something that I really loved about him was he was very straightforward with things, not sugarcoating things, which is really good because many times you need straight feedback about things and a reality check of where you have a good shot at, where you don't have a good shot at. So very good at that. He is extremely approachable. So I remember probably I never had to give him a call where I did not get a response from him, or even if he didn't pick up, he called me up within, let's say, 5 minutes or so. So very approachable, very responsive about things. Always available for any doubt that you want. You can give him a call anytime. He's always available to clear your problems, your doubts. So very fast. I think that's something really amazing. With the kind of response that he gives, is pretty fast. He's pretty dedicated towards the application process. You'll never feel that you're applying alone. In fact, great support when he is there, because you get pretty confident about everything, because his constant inputs and supports to those applications, to those essays or processes is really amazing. Apart from that, the thing that I really liked about Autry was he's not just he's going to prepare, going to help you out with the essay itself. He's going to start from the very initial of finding a school for you, discussing with you. He's never going to push you for a school, but he's going to discuss with you very well which school fits well, which school doesn't fit well, which is going to be a great fit for you, great experience for you from the very initial till the very end. After the interview, he's going to be there with you to help you out with every process that is there. So he just didn't help me out with the selection of the schools, he also helped me out prepare the essays for the same. He even went to an extent where he went into my application and figured out whether I have filled up everything correctly or not, which is great, because many times you need a second party validation. You need somebody to validate, because as Indians we've never been through that kind of process. India is a very different process of application. So he even went to the point where he checked my applications online whether I filled everything correctly or not. After getting an admit, he took mock interviews as well, which is really great. Great inputs that he provided during the interview phase as well. He provided, and very realistic. So for example, when I first gave my first mock to Autry, he was very blunt and told me, dude, if I were an alumni, I would not have selected you at all. So that gave me a very good reality check of, if I go ahead and give an interview with this kind of preparation, I'm not going to get through. So I prepared a lot, and he told me, this is how you should prepare for an interview, and then I went ahead and I gave the interview, and then I got an admit. So the end-to-end, from very starting till the very end, the support that he provides is insanely amazing. I think, in fact, I think what he's charging for such kind of a thing is absolutely nil with the kind of support that he provides. It's really amazing. I think I felt really amazing working with Autry, not just professionally, personally as well. And I think it's a connect that's going to remain for the rest of my life. And I would very strongly recommend Autry if you are serious about your applications. Thank you.